One of the most talked about topics in the mirrorless camera market in recent years is the rumored Canon EOS R3 Mark II, a next-generation flagship class model that is said to be in active development. And while the original EOS R3, released in 2021, served for a long time as Canon's de facto professional mirrorless flagship before the arrival of the EOS R1, its position has become somewhat ambiguous since then, with its 24.1 megapixel sensor increasingly compared against newer, higher resolution bodies. Yet recent information suggests that development of the EOS R3 successor is now moving forward in earnest, with a very high likelihood of an official development announcement taking place in the first week of February 2026, which would mark a major turning point not only for Canon but for the camera industry as a whole, as this would be a development announcement rather than a full launch, likely timed to coincide with major international sporting events where pre-production units could be field tested by professional photographers in real-world conditions. And according to multiple rumors, the EOS R3 Mark II will not be a simple incremental update, but rather a fundamentally redesigned high-speed, high-resolution hybrid camera, with the most striking upgrade being a dramatic jump from the current 24 megapixel class to an approximately 50 megapixel full-frame sensor, a figure that would even surpass the roughly 45 megapixel EOS R5 Mark II and make it the highest resolution full-frame model in Canon's lineup, positioning it squarely against cameras like the Sony Alpha 1 while deliberately stopping short of the 60 megapixel class in order to prioritize the optimal balance between resolution, burst speed, sensor readout performance, rolling shutter suppression, autofocus tracking, subject recognition AI processing speed, and overall responsiveness. And this design philosophy suggests that electronic shutter high-speed continuous shooting, blackout-free operation, advanced subject detection AF, IAF, superior low-light performance, thermal management, and professional-grade durability will all be core pillars of the EOS R3 Mark II, effectively consolidating the most advanced technologies Canon has developed across the EOS R system, while questions still remain regarding the body design, specifically whether it will retain the integrated vertical grip of the original R3 or adopt a new form factor to better differentiate it from the EOS R1. Yet there is little doubt that it will be aimed squarely at professional use cases such as sports, news, wildlife, aviation, motorsports, and other fast-moving subjects. And looking beyond the R3 Mark II, 2026 is also expected to be a pivotal year for Canon's APS-C lineup with the anticipated introduction of the EOS R7 Mark II, which is rumored to feature an approximately 40 megapixel APS-C sensor, a substantial increase over the current 33 megapixel resolution that would significantly improve crop flexibility and perceived detail for bird photography, railway photography, sports, and long telephoto shooting, alongside a redesigned control layout that more closely resembles Canon's full-frame R-series cameras, enhancing ergonomics, intuitiveness, and customization. While on the video side, Canon is also rumored to be preparing dedicated video-focused variants such as the EOS R7 V based on the R7 platform and the EOS R8 V based on the full-frame entry-level R8, signaling a strategy to offer serious video performance at more accessible price points distinct from the Cinema EOS line. And at the entry level, an EOS R100 Mark II is also expected, maintaining a basic feature set while benefiting from improved autofocus and processing performance. And perhaps most intriguingly, 2026 may finally see the long-rumored retro design Canon camera come to market, inspired by classic film models like the EOS R1, combining a nostalgic exterior with a modern approximately 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor while intentionally limiting video features in favor of still photography-centric operation, appealing strongly to photographers who value design, tactile controls, and the emotional aspect of camera ownership. And beyond interchangeable lens cameras, Canon is also expected to reinvigorate its compact camera lineup, with rumors pointing to a PowerShot V3 positioned as a more photography-oriented companion to the PowerShot V1, potentially featuring a high magnification zoom lens, as well as the long-awaited successor to the PowerShot G series in the form of the G7X Mark IV. possibly incorporating a 1.4-inch sensor along with significantly upgraded autofocus and video capabilities to clearly differentiate these cameras from smartphones. And taken together, these developments suggest that 2026 will be an exceptionally important year for Canon, with simultaneous product launches across full-frame, APS-C, video-focused models, retro design cameras, and compact digitals. And at the center of this strategy, the EOS R3 Mark II stands out as a key pillar in redefining Canon's high-end mirrorless direction, strongly tying together the themes of high resolution, high speed, AI-driven performance, professional reliability, durability, and trust, making it a camera that could clearly signal where next-generation mirrorless systems are headed. And as more information emerges through additional leaks, official announcements, hands-on testing, and comparative evaluations, it will be essential to continue watching these developments closely in the broader context of the evolving camera industry.